So, do you say the Babbling Brook or the Bubbling Brook?
I said babbling.
The Babbling Brook. Idea by Julie Webb. What, cameras can't hear?
You can when you're videotaping.
Oh shit. Video by Julie Webb. The Babbling Brook. Like Brigadoon, the Babbling Brook shows in a cycle only Mother Nature knows. When torrential rain bestows, the Babbling Brook flows. It's been the absent sound, water flowing over ground, until now, ground only imprinted with purpose. We wade down the stream that realised its dream to expose us to beauty and surplus. Oh, speak to me now in babbling tongue, serenade my mind with delicate song. Percolate, permeate, pervade all you find, instigate, germinate wherever you want.